Hey everyone, with the introduction of its newest product, the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity, Amazfit has once again lifted the bar in the smartwatch industry. This cutting-edge gadget keeps many of the features that have made the Bip series so well liked by both fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy people, making it a strong substitute for its predecessor, the Amazfit Bip 5. The vivid 1.91-inch LCD display of the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity, which has a resolution of 320 by 280 pixels, is one of its best features. This display guarantees a smooth and engaging user experience, in addition to providing clear images. The watch is more durable thanks to the stainless steel frame, which makes it appropriate for both daily use and a variety of outdoor activities. Moreover, with an IP68 rating, the Bip 5 Unity is developed to withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes, offering peace of mind to users who lead active lifestyles. Underneath its sleek exterior, the Bip 5 Unity houses Amazfit's advanced BioTracker PPG biometric sensor. This sensor is capable of monitoring vital health metrics, such as heart rate and blood oxygen levels, providing users with valuable insights into their overall well-being. Notably, the sensor is programmed to issue alerts for abnormal heart rate readings, high stress levels, or low oxygen saturation, empowering users to take proactive steps towards maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the extensive range of sports modes offered by the Bip 5 Unity, totaling over 120 options to cater to a wide range of activities. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or yoga, this smartwatch is equipped to track and analyze performance metrics accurately. Additionally, the integration of Amazon Alexa enables convenient voice commands, allowing users to access information, control smart home devices, and perform various tasks with ease. In terms of battery life, the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity excels with its 300 mAh battery, capable of supporting up to 5 days of heavy usage, 11 days of typical usage, or an impressive 26 days in battery saver mode. This extended battery life ensures that users can rely on their smartwatch for extended periods, without constantly worrying about recharging. With its introduction in the US and UK markets, the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity offers customers in these areas an alluring feature set at a competitive price point. With a price tag of £59 in the US and £69 in the UK, this smartwatch is affordable and suitable for a broad spectrum of consumers wishing to update their wearable electronics. All things considered, the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity is a distinctively adaptable and feature-rich smartwatch that blends appearance, use, and robustness. Its long-lasting battery life, user-friendly interface, and variety of health and fitness tracking features position it to have a big effect on the worldwide smartwatch industry and meet the changing expectations of customers looking for a complete wearable technology solution. What did you like about this watch? Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.